Pero itong curfew na ito, ayunan, bakit ko, kung ibigay ko yung ayunan sure, Juster curfew, kung hindi ka ibigay ko na lang yung South China Sea. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan yung ayunan. At ito, Justice Curfew, sabihin ko sa iyo, if China would decide to erect a naval base there in the island nearest us, can you stop it? Ano mo yung Supreme Court ruling mo dyan? Papel lang yan, idiot. It cannot stop a war. Hindi nadadala ito sa salita. We presidents, at one time or another, had that solemn duty, sacred duty, to protect the Filipino people. Ikaw, yung theories mo, scholar ka pa dyan. Huwag mo ako mapabilib, kilala kita, taga-Davao kayo. Maaga ka lang ng political connection, kaya ka naging justice. Bulahin mo ako. Yan ang totoo. Madali kasi ito sila magsabi that we should insist. And if China would say no, you cannot insist, what can you do? Justice Carpio, answer me. So you call America, you're a crybaby, always America, America, America. That was the last speech of Marcos. Now, we will be brave there. We'll have ships there patrolling alongside with the American ships. What? And you call our place Republic of the Philippines. When you could remain to be a republic and be peaceful with everybody. Pag-usapan na lang natin yung hindi naman Palawan ang kinukuha ng There are questions and issues about jurisdictions in the island. We will continue to talk. Yan ang trabaho namin. Problema sa iyo, Justice Carpio, hindi ka naging presidente. Akala mo itong problema ng Pilipinas sa chessboard kung marunong ka maglaro. It's easy for you to say, ganon dapat ginawa. Okay talagang hindi ka naging presidente. You were not given that sacred duty to protect the 120 million plus Filipino. Ang iyo papel lang dyan at salita at maraming hambog. I have the documents. Hinahanap ko yung meron bang mga agreements na I will study it tonight, and after the rally, we can probably have a more expanded agreement signed along the way. Kasi ang pagkaalam kasi ito ni Carpio, galing yan ng collegial. Supreme Court is collegial, marami sila. Ganun rin ho kami ugok. I do not decide on my own. When there is a critical issue at hand in front of me, I call the National Security Council. Kung wala akong panahon, yan si Andio Esperon, ang mga military, ang tinatanong ko sa cabinet. Hindi naman ako, no? It's the act of the President. Correct. But behind that act of the President, I will educate you. Hindi akin yan lahat. I cannot make a move relative to the security of the country without asking the military and the National Security Council. Kaya yung agreement na yan, kung totoo, nasabi ko na sa mga military yan, you should not keep anything secret when you're talking about the national security. Ang mga military, nandyan talaga yan. Nandyan man si Anyo. He was my national security advisor. Advisor mo yan, Bongbong. Tanungin mo kung mayroong bang gentleman's agreement.